Hi! Welcome back to my channel, Super Janice! Super Janice! Super Janice! Super Janice! Hi! Welcome back to my channel, Super Janice! By the way, I'm Janice, and in this channel, I share all about how-tos, tips, tutorials, all the information that you need to know about healthy living and overall wellness. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so that you'll get notified every time we have new contents uploaded. And as usual, I would like to thank you mga subscribers ko, especially sa mga bagong subscribers ko and sa mga regular viewers ko. Thank you so much. Pero today mag-experiment tayo. So I've been waiting for my order. Nag-order ako online. Salamat Shopee! Nag-order ako online ng roller blends and carrier oil so that I can try mga essential oil blends. So today, we are going to try to make immunity booster blend. Again, disclaimer, no therapeutic claims. Etong gagawin natin, parang support lang, enhance lang ang mood and everything. So, hindi po siya gamot, okay? So, we'll try two blends today. The immunity blend and the sleep time blend. Parang enhancer, support, boost immune system, boost sleeping appetite, mga ganon. So, let's begin by opening my orders ng roller blend. So, hindi ko pa siya open natin siya ngayon. This is sort of unboxing na rin. So, eto na yung in-order ko sa Shopee na carrier oil and roller blends. So, para makagawa tayo ng mga blends using our essential oils, kailangan natin ng rollers, of course, and then carrier oils. Maraming klaseng carrier oils based sa pagbabasa ko, no? And suggestions ng mga taong na gumagamit na rin ng oils. So, may jojoba oils, meron tayong sweet almond oils, coconut oil or BCO. You can try olive oil, my grapeseed oil, and many other oils. So, ang idea sa roller blends natin would be yung carrier oil natin is walang amoy. Para ang aangat na amoy is yung sa mga essential oils natin. Okay? So, today, I actually ordered grapeseed oil. So, ito yung sinuggest sa akin. So, ito ang ita-try natin. But of course, along the way, I'll try other carrier oils and see what's best for the blends. Okay? So, open na natin ang in-order kong rollers and what do you call this? Yung carrier oil natin na grapeseed. So, I think this is the this is the roller blends. And this is the carrier oil. Let's start with the carrier oil first. Let's see if this... I'm excited because I've been wanting to make the blends for 1 month na ngayon. But I've never had a chance to do that. So this is it, pansit. Ito na yung ating well-packed siya, no? Let's see. Ito, nakabalad pa siya sa karton. Ayun. Tapos may bubble wrap pa siya to protect it kasi nga it's hindi naman siya glass, plastic lang naman siya. Okay, so there you go. It's essential oil, basic needs. Yan ata yung name ng store na binalan ko nito. Tapos yan, grapeseed oil. This is 100 ml and this is worth around 130 to 140 pesos for 100 ml. And of course, when I buy something online, nagko-price comparison ako. So, more or less, ganun talaga yung presyo niya based sa content niya. Okay, so let's try this na. Hindi naman masyadong malakas yung amoy niya, pero may amoy pa rin na ang lipstick ko ang naamoy ko. Hindi ko alam. May amoy siya, konting-konti lang, very very light. You have to force yourself to smell talaga. Pero, I think this would be good for the blends. Para mas umangat yung amoy ng ating oils, essential oils. So, experiment to. First time ko. First time natin to. Tignan natin kung maganda yung roller blends. I ordered roller 10 ml tsaka 5 ml. So, yung 5 ml is for my use. And then, of course, for experimentation. Kasi mahal yung mga oils. May kamahalan siya. So, konti-konti lang. Ito try natin. And then, of course, yung 10 ml would be for my sharing. So, i-share ko sa mga friends ko para ma-experience din nila ang essential oils. Kung okay ba o hindi. Ayan, naka-bubble wrap na naman siya. Maayos na maayos ang pag-wrap ni ate. Ang galing. Ayan, tapos naka-wrap pa siya sa karton. Ayan, nakikita ko na yung oils. Roller blends ko. Here we go. There you are. My roller blends. Ito yung 10 ml na roller blends. Ano yung mga perfume, parang sa perfume lang, niro-roll mo dito, ganyan. Ayun, ganyan. Then, may 5 ml tayo. So, for our experiment today, we'll be using the 5 ml lang, okay? So, this one, we'll keep this para sa mga gifts ko. I'll be giving oils to my friends. Ayan. Sharing is caring, sabi ni Alex. Okay, let's try to open one. So, saka nice ng kulay niya, no? Ang cute. Cute lang. Okay, let's try the pink one. Ito yung roller niya. Nilalagay natin dito later. Plastic lang siya. Okay, let's go ahead and try. So, for our immunity blend, we need thieves and lemon and then carrier oil. So, since the ideal is for a 10 ml na rollers, kailangan mo ng 10 drops ng thieves, 10 drops ng lemon, and then the rest to fill it is you use carrier oil. But since we are going to use the 5 ml bottle lang, so we're gonna have so kalahati lang ang contents niya. Okay, so 5 drops of thieves lang and 5 drops of lemon and then carrier oil. Let's see if it works. Yun yung problema ko. Hindi ako nakabili ng imbudo. Yan, ganyan. And then, droplets, dropper pala. Okay, so, I don't know how to do this. Pero let's go ahead and try. So, let's get our thieves first. So, 5 drops of thieves. Here's our thieves. Ito. Saan kasha siya? Kasha naman to. Ito lang masyadong magula. I need 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect! And then the 5 drops of lemon. There's our lemon. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. 5 drops din to. Sana mag-shoot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yun. So, first time ko to. Kung kayo ay magaling sa essential oils na marami na kayong alam, kung hindi tama yung pagkagawa ko, please do comment. Help me. So, we already have the 5 drops of lemon and 5 drops of thieves. Next, we are going to fill the remaining of the bottle with our essential oil. Ayan. Ang ngayon nagtatry natin is grapeseed oil. Okay. So, ang next na gagawin natin, ilalagay natin ang roller natin. Yan. Ang cute. Ayan. Ipasok lang natin. There you go! Tapos ilalagay natin. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. So, may roller blends na tayo na for immunity booster. Pink is for our immunity booster. Diba? So, paano to applyin? Lalagay lang natin dito. Pwede siguro dito. Hindi ko alam dito. Pero yung sinabasa ko sa sole ng paa mo. So, ito yon. Hindi ko na ipapakita kasi ang laki ng paa ko. Ayan. Siguro. Tingnan natin kung mabango. Naaamoy ko yung thieves and lemon. Galing. Siguro i-shake natin. Ayun. Meron na tayo. So, next na naman ang gagawin natin ay ang sleep time na blends. Na blend. Sleep time na blend. So, again, ito hindi to gamot pampatulog ha. Parang added ambience lang, parang support lang, parang alam mo yun, pampagana lang sa pagtulog, siguro, ganar. So, eto, nilagyan ko, di ba nilagyan natin to ng rollers? Yan, may roller na siya. So, hindi ko alam paano tanggalin para in drops. Let's see kung magda-drop. Ay, nagda-drop! Okay, we can go ahead and try it! Okay, so here's our bottle. We'll start with the lavender. This is one of my favorite oils so far. Ito yung lavender na oil. 5 drops of lavender. This is for sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 drops of stress away. This is for our sleep time roller blend. Okay, kahit may roller siya na magda-drop yan. Nag-drop siya kanina. Ano? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, nag-drop siya. Bilang. And then, pupunuin natin ng ating carrier oil. Yung mga roller blends, these are my first ever roller blends for essential oil. There you have it. Nagawa na natin ang ating mga roller blends. This is just for 5 ml kasi first time ko nag-experiment pa ako. So this one is for immunity boosting and this is for sleep time. Again, no therapeutic claim. Parang ano na siya, support, enhancement, ganon. And you can also suggest, leave a comment below, suggest kung anong topics ang gusto nyong next na ipapakita ko. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button so that you'll get notified every time we have new content uploaded. Okay? Again, thank you so much everyone.